Being vulnerable is fundamentally linked to an inward orientation of one's awareness. It signifies a state where an individual's primary focus is on their internal world, their thoughts, feelings, and sensations, rather than on external factors. Those whose awareness is primarily directed inward are often considered sensitive because their natural inclination is towards their internal experiences. This inward focus means they may not instinctively prioritize building strong external defenses or boundaries against the external world. Their sensitivity arises from this deeper engagement with their inner landscape. While vulnerable individuals may not naturally excel at creating external barriers, their strength lies in a profound self-awareness. The strength associated with vulnerability is not about external protection or the ability to ward off harm. Instead, it's an internal strength stemming from a deep knowing of oneself. This self-awareness empowers vulnerable individuals to make discerning choices about the people they surround themselves with and the environments they inhabit, thereby creating a form of intrinsic protection. Their focus is directed internally, which may require conscious effort to establish effective external defenses. For sensitive individuals with inward awareness, choosing the right people and environments is crucial. Their inherent nature makes them potentially more susceptible to external influences. Therefore, consciously selecting supportive and protective surroundings becomes a key aspect of their well-being and a way to safeguard their sensitivity. Vulnerability is not simply about being exposed or defenseless, but rather a state of deep self-awareness that can lead to a different kind of strength. The ability to navigate the world by understanding one's own needs and choosing environments and relationships that are inherently supportive and protective of one's sensitive nature.